Hi, in this WEAVOLUTION webisode, I'm going to show you how you can add a project to your project or my projects folder. And it's nice to have this for a record of what you've worked on, and you can refer to the yarns and the drafts you use. And it's also nice for other people to browse through and see what people are working on and get inspiration from what you've done. So to do this, I'm going to click on this My Projects up in this orange tab area. And you can see I've got a couple of projects that I've previously uploaded. And I'm going to add a new project today. I think I'll add a rag rug. Put in a title, find your pictures, and that's the first photograph I want to put up. After I've browsed my desktop to find the image, I do need to hit the upload button. You can have up to 6 images in your project. I'm going to add another item. And then I hit the upload button. These are the 2 images I'm going to use. So right now I'm going to go back up to the first and say this is a close-up of my rag rug. And this is my rag rug with the multicolored warp. Now, down here in the project fields, you put your cursor in the first field, which is the draft. And if you have created a draft, you can pull it up. Or if somebody else has created the same draft, it may come up. If it doesn't come up, you may have to create the draft. I am going to type in plain weave or tabby, and it's finished. And the project date, I'm just going to say it's today. Now the yarn I used was an 8/4 carpet warp. And you can see that there are several different kinds of yarns that start with the number 8. And I happen to add this yarn, so I know what that is. And the color is multi. And my yarn for my weft is simply fabric strips, cotton. And again, it was multi. Now I'm going to scoot down to the loom area, and I'm going to type in Glamacra and see if anything comes up. And here's the ideal. I did that on the ideal. I used 4 shafts, and I used 6 treadles, and I set it at 12 ends per inch. It was about 28 inches on the loom. Pardon me, it was like 4 yards on the loom. It was 28 inches wide on the loom. The finished length ended up being about 50 inches, and the width was 24 inches. If I wanted to, I could put, what my take up in length is approximately 30%, so that when I do another rag rug, I can remember to add that. And I'm going to put in a few tags. Tags are really important so that people looking for your type of item will actually find it. Rag rug, tabby, multi, warp, just small short words separated by commas. And I'm going to hit the save. Now when I go back up to my projects, the rag rug's been added. I can click on it. Brings up a nice big picture. If I click on it again, it's going to bring up even a bigger picture. And the neat thing about it is following the draft, if you click on this Plain Weaver tabby, it'll take you to the draft section. And I actually included the draft, I included the 3D image, I included what the fabric looks like using tabby. And I've also included the width. So the more complete you can be, the more helpful this website will be to everybody. And that's about it.